New update in Volleyball Legends, the MAIA twins. The MAIA twins update 15, all the new secret codes. I'll be showing you every single new secret code in today's video, so don't miss out on any of these codes. If you do need some free... Wait, level 15 needed? Okay guys, let me quickly become level 15. What? I got level 15! That's crazy! I got level 15 so fast. Anyways, guys, if you do want to redeem these codes, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. And also, let's see what's in the shop. The Supernova. But the new style is here. The new style. The MAIA twins. Wait, look at the MAIA twins. It's right here. And the secret style. New secret style. And we have only 45 lucky spins. We have to get our numbers up, okay? We have to get our numbers up. Let's actually go ahead and redeem all the new codes in this brand new update for Volleyball Legends. They've been dropping updates for the Easter. And this is pretty much one of the best updates of Easter, okay? Volleyball Legends. Let me quickly see the admin codes. Where's the admin codes at? Oh, the admin codes are right here. UPD, UPD ATE, UPD ATE underscore. Oh my god, I removed it all. UPD ATE 15, okay, boom! 5 lucky spins for this code. Okay, twins are here. Wait, twins are here. Twins are here. Oh my god, it worked. It actually worked. Twins are here is working. Twins are here is working. The next code is going to be 00k underscore mem. Wait. 600k, 600 mem, 600 meme. No, 600 meme bears, meme beers. Members, 600k members. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, redeem all these codes for a lot of free lucky spins. That is insane. Wait, did they actually add like a... Oh, it's a duo. It's a twin. You can choose between twins. You can swap the twin. I'll be showcasing to you what I mean, because you can swap these twins. When you get these twins, you can have 2 characters. 2 characters for the price of 1. 2 characters for the price of 1. You heard it right, okay? You heard it right. So let me actually show you what I'm talking about. You can swap the twins. You can play as one twin and then you can play as the other twin as well, which is actually nice. It's a crazy update. So you can choose between the blue hair or the yellow hair twin, and you have pretty much 2 characters in once. Don't forget to comment down below twins. Comment down below twins. Comment down below twins if you need an extra slot right now.